guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today I am here with 4 quick methods to hide a drive in Windows 10. But before we get started, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to notified when our new video lands. Now, let's move on to hide a drive in Windows 10 with 4 best ways. Solution 1. Hide a drive using the Disk Management app. The Disk Management tool eases various storage-related tasks such as formatting hard disk partitions, assigning drive letters, managing disk space, and more. You can also use it to hide a drive partition on Windows. Here's how. Press Win+R and type diskmgmp.msc in the text field and press Enter. In the Disk Management window that opens, right-click on the drive you wish to hide, and select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Now, click the Remove button from the pop-up window. Choose Yes when the warning message appears. Once you complete the above steps, your drive will no longer appear in File Explorer. Solution 2. Hide a drive using the Group Policy Editor. You can also use Local Group Policy Editor to hide a drive from your Windows computer. Here's what you need to do. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog box. Type pedit.msc in the box and click OK. Select Yes when the User Account Control (UAC) prompt shows up. In the Local Group Policy Editor window, use the left pane to navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, File Explorer. Double-click the Hide these specified drives in My Computer policy on your right. Select the Enabled option. Under Options, select the drive you want to hide. Click Apply followed by OK. Solution 3. Hide a drive in Windows via the Registry Editor. Another brilliant tool to hide a drive in Windows 10 is Registry Editor. To be safe, you should back up all the registry files before proceeding. Once you're done with that, use the following steps to hide a drive using Windows Registry. Press Win+S to open the search menu. Type Registry Editor in the box, and select the first result that appears. Select Yes when the User Account Control (UAC) prompt appears. Use the left pane to navigate to key_local_machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Policies, Explorer. Right-click on the Explorer key, and go to New, and select Word, 32-bit, value from the submenu. Rename the DWORD to No Drives. Double-click the No Drives DWORD. In the Edit DWORD, 32-bit, value dialog box, select decimal as the base. Enter a number corresponding to the drive you want to hide in the Value Data field and click OK. Refer to the table below to determine which number to use. Solution 4. Use third-party software to hide drives in Windows 10. Lastly, you can also use any reliable third-party software to hide drives in Windows 10 system. There are various software available over the internet. You just need to choose the reliable one and install it on your system and follow the user guidelines to hide a drive. Thanks for watching.